Hey guys, welcome back. Just having fun. Today, we're gonna have a little bit of fun with the Sea-Doo. So we're not gonna take it out for a ride today, even though we should. It is beautiful. It's above 70. Just wrapped up work, got a few things to do. But I wanted to get my paperwork sorted out. I ordered a lid organizer for the storage or the trunk of the Sea-Doo. So I'm gonna install that. You can see how that looks. Pulled that off Amazon. That's awesome. And then we got our stickers, registration, all that stuff. So I want to do something with that. So stay tuned. Check it out. All right, registration's all set. We're good to go there. So let's take a quick look inside the lid here. So you see this big, huge empty space. Well, there's actually kind of pre-drilled holes here. And after a little research, I found a lid organizer. This lid organizer was bought off of Amazon. It's a Sea-Doo product, official product. And I think it was like 60 bucks, so it wasn't that bad. Here's a label, get a closer look. So you have a pocket here, you know, and I'm thinking that's where my registration and stuff's gonna go. And then you have a nice big storage area. So that's pretty cool where this is unused space. So I got it in the mail, delivered to my house, and I was looking at it and I said, this is for the wrong Doo or the Sea-Doo or something because it's not a uniform shape. And then I dry fit it and it fits perfect. So it's just, that's just the way it is. The shape of the hood here. So we'll go ahead. I'll do a couple close-ups so you can see the holes, the pre-drilled holes, the screws, etc. And then we'll just screw it in and it's done. So one screw, one washer. It's like a polyester material, so it's like, it feels exactly like a cooler. These do look like waterproof zippers, so we should be okay from that perspective. All right, so you just hand tighten it. I would recommend not using a drill. It's just plastic. So you just want to hand tighten it till it's firm, and that's it. It ain't gonna go anywhere. If it does, at the end of the season, just check it, and maybe you gotta tighten it a little bit at the end of the season and you're good. But that's it, so that's installed. So we got our front pocket, awesome. And then we have our interior storage where you can put anything you want in there. So not sure what I'm gonna put in there yet. Maybe my dock ties because so I could reach them a little easier. It's probably a perfect spot for them. I'll put them in there for now. All my paperwork, I figured I'd put it in this. It's a waterproof cell phone case. We had this from vacationing and stuff, but we don't need it anymore. We use a GoPro and stuff for going in the water with video. So I figured I'd just use this, repurpose it. It's got my insurance, got my registration, my boater safety certificate, and I think there was something else in there. But it's all my paperwork is in there. It's waterproof inside this. So I figure I'll just leave it right in there like my glove compartment, and got all my stuff ready in case I need it. All right, so pretty cool. I love it. Let's see, let's make sure it's no problem at all. Closes perfectly. Opens no problem, so it's not causing any issues from opening and closing, so that's good. Good to see. Let's check the ease of using it. So if you're on the ski, you're riding, you need to get something, say I need my papers, pretty easy. Where if they were down in here, it would have been a little bit more difficult. I would have had to pull up my bag and then dig it out of the bag. So it's good to have that option from a space management perspective. And then if I need a dock tie, they're right there as well. Pretty accessible, easy to reach, no problem. So cool, I'm really excited about my new accessory there. Looks great. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little easy video. Just wanted to share the accessory. If you're thinking about buying it, I know I was thinking about buying it. I was looking for videos, could find nothing on it. Well, I figured I'd make a video, so if somebody else looking for a video, they'll have some. Thanks so much for watching. Next time you see me, I'll be on the lake.